In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Currys promo code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Google. In the Google search box, type in Currys promo codes and then hit enter. And then we'll be taken to Google search results where we've got a few third-party sites offering different promo codes. So we've got Coupon Follow with 10% off. We've got Currys.co. We can actually use their website to see what the exclusive promo code deals are. We've got Voucher. Scroll down. We've got Groupon, TechRadar. So we can check out any one of those sites for promo code deals, but one I like to use called couponfollow.com. And now once we're in here, we can check out any one of these active codes. So top curry codes for January 8th, 2025. I am January the 9th, so it hasn't updated yet, but these codes will work. So as you can see, this code is verified and you can see someone just saved X amount on their order. So to activate any one of these codes, simply click on show coupon code. Here's the code here. And now you want to paste this code at the checkout section of Currys to redeem 10% off that order. These codes do expire, so if one's expired, just move on to the next one. And these codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so check this site out at a later date and similar sites as well. And one good thing on Coupon Follow, if we scroll down, we can see the previous featured offers and deals, so you can get a sense of what they might offer in the future as well.